Here I have REDMI Note 12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So firstly you have to remove case, if you have one. Here you have this slot, so what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly push it, and the slot will pop out. So here on this side you have SIM 1, and on the other side you have SIM 2. So let's insert it into the SIM 1 slot, and then put it back into our device. Wait, I'm doing something wrong. You put it this side, and then put it back into your REDMI Note. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.